I'm Greta.
I'm Jenna.
And we're realtors with the DeMacy Group at Keller Williams Realty in Davis, California.
It's no secret that curb appeal is a crucial part of enticing potential buyers to take a look at your home.
However, you may not have a lot of money to drop on landscaping or painting the entire home.
Never fear, there are some simple solutions.
Here are 4 cheap curb appealing tricks that offer the best home selling returns. Trick number 1, paint the ugly bits. Okay, painting the entire house could cost you thousands, but have you ever considered these budget-friendly alternatives? Paint the trim, mailbox, and other small areas that could use a touch-up. While this may not be a total makeover, these small items can give you big returns.
Trick number 2, create a sitting spot. This trick is easy peasy. Just set up a spot on the front porch to amplify your first look attractiveness. This idea helps your home look friendly and lets potential buyers envision themselves on your front porch, enjoying their new neighborhood. And keep in mind, if you have a small front porch that can't accommodate a lot of large pieces of furniture, even a small bench, it can make a big difference.
Trick number 3, trim those hedges. Even if you cut your lawn regularly, I always see sellers forgetting about the hedges. There is not much worse than blocking the view of your home. Simple trimming and weeding can help you beautify your yard, and the best part, if you do it yourself, it won't cost you a dime.
Trick number 4, hide your clutter. We're talking garbage cans, recycling containers, air conditioners, compost bins, and garden tools. If you don't have a place to put all of these items, try arranging a few strategically placed potted plants in front, or you can plant a bush to help conceal them. With these simple curb appeal tricks, your listing will be off the market
before you know it.